Recent INTEC 2022 focuses on advanced manufacturing with low-cost machinery. More than 600 exhibitors displayed their machinery and tools at Coimbatore during June 2022 first week. Signpost Coimbatore Industrial Directory helps every entrepreneur in Coimbatore to buy, sell and subcontract mutually among themselves. It helps entrepreneurs all over India to do business with Coimbatore Industries. In this video, we have covered highlights of INTEC 2022 consisting of stall views of Signpost member industries. See the video till end and improve your business. For complete contact details of all exhibitors, please refer Coimbatore Industrial Directory. You can also see thousands of other manufacturers in Coimbatore with full address and phone numbers. Signpost Coimbatore Industrial Directory is available in three methods. One is printed directory book, which you can refer it in your table whenever you feel like. Another one is digital edition for mobile reading. The third method is search engine plus a digital marketing assistant. This printed directory you can get it from online stores like Flipkart, Amazon, and also you can get it from the mobile shops and booksellers nearer to you. In addition, it is always available from the publisher's office at our Sidco Industrial Estate. Digital edition is available free to download from Google like Play Stores and Playbooks, or you can tap the link given in the description and directly open the book digitally. You can scan the QR code given here and open it directly. Our office address is given below. You can come at any time.